Welcome to the Fix It Buddy channel, where we try and help everyday people. Today we'll be looking at an Electrolux dryer that sounded like it was just taking off and like it was jumping as well. Just super loud. Well, it turns out that the blower needed to be cleaned, and we're going to look at a super easy fix on how to get that noise from stopping and sound like your machine's gonna fly. So let's get to it.
All right, I have this Electrolux dryer that is sounding like I don't know, a machine gun's going off or airplane's taking off every time it runs. Seems like it's drying okay, but then all of a sudden it just sounds like the thing's going to take off. And I checked the lint trap and it seems fine, but then up inside here, there's a blower that's full of lint that needs to be taken out. And so I'm going to show you an easy way to get this lint out without having to take anything apart except for this grate right here. So we're going to take that out first. So first, before you do anything, make sure that you unplug the dryer so you don't hurt yourself. So first what we want to do is go ahead and take out the lint trap filter. And then there's a screw here, over here, and I believe these two front screws, one here and here, have to come out. So we're going to go ahead and take those out. So here's number one here. There, no problem. And now we'll do number two. That came out. Number three, right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. These are really short ones, much easier to get out. Don't drop these. There it comes, and that's pretty easy there. So this is going to come right on out. Now I could already see quite a bit of lint here, so I'm going to go ahead and clean this off camera. And then we're going to do the shortcut here. I have my 6-year-old son here, and he's sticking his hand in here on the lower fan, and he is going to start pulling out the lint. There you go. See how much lint he got? I'm going to stick it in the bag. Okay. So if you don't have a kid, you can hire a neighbor kid for 20 bucks or 15 bucks and just have them come in. And I did this with my other daughter, whose hand's too big now, last year. And there you go. Good job. And it took probably about 20 to 30 minutes of the person with the little hand going in and moving the fan around. You could feel the fan?
Yeah.
Just, you have to move the fan around. Can you spin it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Spin it and just get as much as you can, okay? Okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. If you do this every year, it'll keep the machine completely clean. And you can get right in that fan. The fan's right there. Otherwise, you have to take the whole front door off. All right, and once that's cleaned, we're going to test it. All right. Okay, so now we're going to put these back. 1, 2, 3, 4. And test it out. All right, so we put all 4 screws back and put the lint trap back in. We're going to test it to see after my kid with a smaller hand cleaned out the thing for a while.
He says it's all clear. Let's see if this thing stops making that crazy noise now. There we go, it sounds normal. Alright, so yep, sounds good. Doesn't sound like it's going to jump through the roof now. So go ahead and get a small hand to clean that thing out once a year.
All right, so hopefully this helps some people out there and allows you to be able to clean this once a year. So don't forget to subscribe.